Hi fellas, welcome back. You might remember I've done a video on this little security camera. It's like 25 quid on Amazon. Honestly, it's an absolute bargain. But a couple of you were asking about what the night vision's like on it. So I'm just going to put a little clip in now. As you can see, pretty decent for 25 quid. Got a job, but first, right, we need this. And let's take this toolbox, man. Screwdriver. Come with me. So you know what guys, honestly, having no sunroof, it's annoying, but the worst bit is having no sun visor. Like when the sun's in your eyes, you just get, like you're literally driving along, like that. Do you know what I mean? It's no good. That'll do until the sale comes for the sunroof. Good job. No idea who that was. There's even any chicken in these refrigerators. Nice old Triumph motorbike there. Got a queue behind us. Too busy videoing. How many chicken feet and different chickens do you reckon's in these refrigerators? It's always nice to have a date yourself, isn't it? Sit about in the garden, nice and sunny, eating what looks like toes. Looks like a toe, that, doesn't it? Like that toe next to your big toe, it's quite long. Or at least it's on mine. How many times are you working on your car, you're like, where the fuck did I put that 10mm spanner? Or where's that 10mm socket? If you ever want to spray out, guys, you spray it on the grass. Because if you spray it on the paving, it's going to stay there forever. Whereas if you put it on the grass, then you can cut the grass and it disappears. You didn't get wrong off your lass. See, it's a good tip, that. Does anyone want a 6-foot tube heater? Or 8-foot, whatever it is? Right fellas, I've decided to go all out. I'm just going to paint the full garage. My question is, right, what do you do with stuff like this? It's like a knackered old alternator. Do you just bin it? Or do you keep it? It's gone in the bin. First thing we need to do is we need to paint all the walls white. First thing, we need to hoover the floor and just get all the dust and that up. Do you know what I mean? So we're getting all the little cracks and crevices. They're all nice and clean. Literally just finished painting, fellas. It's all overs. I've wrecked my favourite green shorts. Check this out. All the dead spiders. This is a standard airbox. It's going to go in the loft. Let's show you this. I'm sure you've seen it in all my videos. Every time I open the door, it like drops water out. Someone asked about it. This is a dehumidifier. And it's made by Mako. It's a DD8L. What I do is, I leave this running all the time. Didn't tell you me. She pays a letty bill. But it's got a tube coming out here, and this tube, coming out here, and this tube goes all the way up, and it comes out there on the garage door. So it literally just drains outside. But the reason I bought this, when the garage had a tin roof, it used to freeze, like in the winter, like the roof used to freeze, you know, like your car roof freezes. Then when it used to defrost, it used to just, it looked like it rained in the garage. It was just water all over the car. And I remember the first time I'd done it, I was just freaking out. I was getting, no. So I was panicking, like, how can I get rid of all this water? Do you know what I mean? How can I stop the roof freezing? But I ended up spending, like, well, not a fortune, but I ended up getting like a wood roof put on and salted. just in case you've got one of these prefab garages and a tin roof, you'll notice in the winter yourself when it freezes over, just like the frost on the inside, then it obviously melts, just drops all over the car. Alright fellas, this is 24 hours later. I ended up at about 9:30 in the garage last night. I painted all the walls white, a couple of beers and that while I was doing it, music on, kind of nice. But look at this, I've literally just moved the car. Oh yeah man, this part of the garage wall just might have to be black. Never mind.
I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kind of dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out.
There we go guys, bit of wood, nice little board. Not where my gear is, if it gets lost, we don't fault in it. But honestly fellas, I just want to say a massive thanks, do you know what I mean, for all the comments and that what you give us. It really does just spur us on to do more videos. Like when I started this at Christmas, I never thought it would get to like, even, how many videos have I done? I don't know, 20, 25, 30, I don't know. But I never thought it would get like the stage where I'm enjoying making videos of like me car. Do you know what I mean? I go through peaks and lows with the car where sometimes I'm just leave it in the garage. I'll mess about with that next year, do you know what I mean? But like at the minute I'm loving it, do you know what I mean? I'm enjoying making videos, I'm enjoying just getting out in the car and just messing about in the garage. So thanks to you, do you know what I mean, for watching. But until next time guys, I'll see you later. Or check out my Instagram if you want as well, there's some just random shit in there.